Yo, what's up, Rebel Fam Bam? Today we're going to be talking about blocking out the noise. In today's times, I know it's very hard to block out the noise, but it's also the most necessary time to block out the noise. There's always so much going on, and we're bombarded with information and content and other people's work that it sometimes overwhelms us. If you don't learn to block out the noise, you'll be easily influenced and may even become someone or something that you don't want to be. I've seen it time and time again, people who didn't block out the noise and allowed the noise to get to them, and over time, everything about them changed and they became something that I didn't recognize and they were no longer original. But I know it's hard, so one thing that I suggest is that you fight. You gotta fight hard for your own thoughts and your own ideals and your own identity. Only the things that are uniquely you should get a chance. I'll give you a few tips on how I personally block out the noise. One thing I do is I have a specific time and a time limit to consume content. So at a certain time every day is when I consume all of the content I'm gonna consume for the whole day. You know what I'm saying? So I'll scroll through Instagram, or I'll look at YouTube, or I'll look at the news, or watch a podcast or a blog in this set amount of time. And then after that, no more consuming content. And I do this because I know how important it is to block out the noise and keep your own sanity. Staying focused on your own goals is so essential, and it should be encouraged to others. So if someone that you know or you love isn't able to block out the noise, please help them, because it's very important and very essential that we help each other in this battle of the minds. And another thing I know is that overconsumption of other people's content usually has a negative effect on your own personal work and your own personal content. You'll start to do things that other people do without even realizing it, just because your mind and your visuals and your body has been trained to do things a certain way because you see it over and over again. So your body automatically goes towards that, and that can be detrimental, because again, you'll fall into trends and you'll fall into doing what everybody else does instead of just being you. I know it's a lot to take in, and I know it's a lot to block, but at the end of the day, we all must stay creative, put your head down and do the work. So yeah, those are my little tips and tricks about blocking out the noise. But as you know, I'm not really a talker, so let's get back to the process.